Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Juver Buen Camino Sidon, and for those who are new to this channel, I want you to please subscribe and hit notification button so that you will be notified in my coming videos. And today, I am going to be your chef. I am not a traveler today because I am not going to share my travel experiences or my videos which I have taken during my trips. But today, I am going to prepare my own version of cooking BISTEK Tagalog. And this food is very popular in my country, Philippines, especially in the northern part, particularly Manila. Yeah, it's very common. That's why we call this Tagalog, BISTEK Tagalog. But this is my own version, Bisaya version. But I have to offer you something new in preparing this one. It's very simple and you don't need to spend a lot of money just for you to have the ingredients. And our main ingredients, which is beef. I marinated it with lemon, soy sauce, and salt, garlic, and a little bit of mushroom seasoning so that it would add a little bit of a taste. And then you just leave it for 15 minutes. Alright, so here's our other ingredients. So we have onion, garlic, ginger, and chili. And then we have also there the garlic powder, salt, garlic powder, and then we have bell pepper. So you can just mix them all up so that it